MHz color signal each time it is triggered on by the horizontal output amplifier stage. The color phase detector stage compares the phase difference between the color burst signal and the 3.579545 MHz reference signal generated by the color oscillator stage. The demodulator stages are used to produce an output that is directly related to the amplitude and phase of the chrominance signal. The B-Y, G-Y, and R-Y amplifier stages are used to produce the blue, green, and red color information to the color guns located in the color picture tube. This concludes review number 4. At this time, you should stop the video and complete section D in your student workbook. In this portion of the video, you will examine the stages necessary for proper horizontal and vertical synchronization of the luminance signal when it produces an image on the television receiver screen. We will begin with the stage responsible for the vertical synchronization of the video image. Here you see the vertical deflection and output amplifier stage. This stage performs two primary functions. First, it generates a sawtooth waveform and provides sufficient power to drive the vertical deflection yoke. Second, it provides retrace blanking pulses, timing pulses for the convergence stage, and timing pulses for the pincushion stage. The vertical deflection portion of this stage is generally a blocking oscillator. The output frequency of this oscillator circuit is 59.94 Hz and will be a sawtooth waveform. The sawtooth signal produced by the blocking oscillator is fed into the output amplifier. The primary purpose of the output amplifier is to supply sufficient power to drive the yoke coil which is mounted on the neck of the picture tube. Now we will examine 3 of the stages required for proper synchronization of the horizontal signal with respect to the image being scanned onto the face of the picture tube. These 3 stages are the horizontal output amplifier, the horizontal oscillator and automatic frequency control stage, and the horizontal blanking amplifier. We will begin by examining the horizontal output amplifier stage. The horizontal output amplifier stage is probably one of the most important stages in the color television receiver. This stage provides signals for many of the other stages located within the system. It drives the deflection yoke to produce the horizontal scanning. It provides synchronization pulses for the automatic gain control, blanking amplifier, color killer, and burst amplifier stages. The horizontal output amplifier also provides the AC voltages required to operate the high voltage rectifier stage and the focusing rectifier stage. This stage also outputs signals into the pincushion and convergence circuits. As you can see, this one stage is responsible for the proper operation of many different stages located within the color television receiver. The primary function of the horizontal oscillator AFC stage is to compare the horizontal sync pulses with the signal produced by the horizontal oscillator contained within this stage. The horizontal oscillator then outputs a DC error voltage that is dependent upon the frequency error between the oscillator output and the horizontal sync pulses being produced by the AGC sync separator stage. This stage generates a sawtooth waveform with a frequency of 15,734 Hz. The horizontal blanking amplifier stage performs one key function. It is used to turn off the video output amplifier and color amplifier stages during the horizontal retrace interval. Now we will examine 2 more sections used in the horizontal circuitry. They are the damper stage and the deflection yoke.